channel, it's Mangothao. This is going to be an update video. Okay, first of all, I'm going to give a quick birthday shout out to my cousin, Christy Tao. Happy 19th birthday. And another quick shout out to Vinesh Chang from Minnesota. Okay, on November 3rd and 4th of 2012, I'll be in Arkansas at the Hmong Arkansas New Year. I will be competing in dance competition, so come out and support me. And for the first 2 fans that find me at the Hmong Arkansas New Year will get 1 free Hellmango bracelet that is handmade for me. I'll be glad if you guys go help support my fellow friends in their movie in the CD. The movie is called Ija Daneng, and the CD is called Chimonu Nongxie Mangothao 2nd volume. They will be at the same booth. I'll be glad if you guys go buy their movie and their CD. My friend Dolly Moua is doing a giveaway on Hellmango bracelet. To enter this giveaway, you have to go on Facebook, go like my fan page, Moe the Original, and leave a comment below one thing you like about me. And she will pick 6 random winners. This contest ends October 13, 2012. I'll be glad if you guys could help support Hugh Lore and his first album. He will be selling at La Crosse, Milwaukee, Metrodome, and Fresno International Hmong New Year. So keep a lookout on that. But yeah, I'll be doing a video called Questions from Fans. If any of you fans have questions to ask me, comment down below and I'll answer it with another video. Last but not least, I guess this is my new hairdo. What do you guys think of it? Do you guys like it? Do you guys not like it? Who cares if you guys don't like it? But it's me and it's unique. But anyways, I got a new handbag. It's from H&M. Original price was $50, but I got it for $45 because I did a coupon online. But it's black with gold, and it's really big. And what I have inside of it is my dog, Sasha. Isn't she the cutest thing ever? She's so adorable. She goes everywhere with me, but yeah, she stays in my bag. And this bag is really nice. It's really big. It's bigger than my other bag that I usually carry every day. But thanks for watching my video. Bye.